Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading Color Our World for July 14th, 2025, Part 1. Claude and Son by Matt Novak. Claude and Son were best friends. They helped the garden grow, played peekaboo with the flowers, and danced across the pond. Deep in the forest, they found hidden treasures and a secret passage to the rain spot where everyone was glad to see them. They played hide and go seek until it was almost dark and Son pointed the way home, where they got ready for bed, snuggled under the covers, and said goodnight. The end. We're going to paint with watercolors. Your Craft to Go kit is a piece of watercolor paper. It's a little bit thicker and more absorbent than regular paper. You'll need some watercolor paints or watercolor crayons. Those are crayons that you color on and then use water to make it blend. You'll need some paints, a paintbrush, which comes in this kit here that I got from Crayola, and you'll need some water. And to watercolor paint, all you do is you dip your paintbrush in the water and then you gently rub it on the paint. And I'm just gonna make a rainbow, I think. So first it's very watery right now. Like the color's not too bright, but we can go over it a few times. See how that's more color. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint my rainbow, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. The orange is better. Look at that. Okay, my rainbow's finished. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking, you can see my hands are a mess. I'm taking some color and just flicking it onto the paper just to make it look neat. You don't have to do this, it's just something I wanted to do. See how that's splotching up there? Got a little yellow on there. Green. And that's all I'm doing. That's how I want it to look. And that's my rainbow, my watercolor rainbow.